We are trying to educate further, spread education about engineering, architecture, and technology. Our camps are STEAM camps, so it stands for science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. So we're trying to further explain and give them supplemental instruction over engineering principles and science, and just do like a week-long camp teaching those principles. I just had a passion for teaching children, and I knew at that age that what really interested me was the camps that I was able to attend, and I just wanted to be a part of that here at Lawton and other places across the state. The kind of activities that we do stuff like egg drop, little engineering design challenges. I believe we had one this morning that was, they built a little small boat with supplies such as tinfoil, popsicle sticks, straws, and pipe cleaners. And then they got to test their design here with just like a kiddie pool and water. And we got little weights to see how much weight that their boat could hold before it began to sink. And we just do little things like that. Later in the week, we'll be constructing bottle rockets to show them just propulsion and things in design about how the environment and the physical world around us affect the things that we build and construct. I think the main things that students can take away from these camps is just the skills, the hands-on skills that they're able to learn by putting their hands together and actually building something that they can use, and even in the real world when they get older, that they can use these principles for school projects, and even if it piques their interest enough, maybe their future jobs, and maybe this will inspire a kid to go in the workforce for engineering or science or technology or math.